Hello and welcome. Today we will explore the data structure of prescription management. In this, as you can see, this has got multiple tables over here. These are the master tables like dose master, extra, instructions, medicine category. These are all one or two fields and there's not much into it. Okay. What we have done over here in medicine master, I need to just explain. Instead of storing the ID of the category, medicine category, we are storing the name of the medicine category over here. Okay, and this is done on purpose. Okay, just to avoid using costly joint select queries to fetch data every time. Okay, because as the data grows, it becomes harder and harder for the database engine to fetch information, and it consumes lot of CPU power also. As the original application that we are building is multi-tenant, meaning multiple institutions and doctors can use our application. Okay, and it has many other features, right from appointment booking to medical store management, in-house medical store management, inpatient, outpatient, etc. Okay. So and we are always trying to avoid using costly SQL statements. When it's a costly, means those SQL statements which would require a lot of processing power. Okay, so to avoid this kind of things, we are duplicating data. But our experience shows that it is easier for the system to handle huge amount of data, okay, as long as you are not using costly joins. Okay, so this is what we have done over here. Prescription entry and prescription master. So prescription master is the main table and prescription entry is the child table. So this is a child master-child relation kind of thing. So here in prescription master, as you can see, it contains all the information which was above the table and below the table. Let's go back to the application and see the prescription part. Everything above the table and everything below the table goes in over here, and everything in the table goes over here. Here we have used prescription ID, as you can see, which comes from here, to link these two data sets. We have used this, of course, this has got many other usage in our main application. I will not cover this, but this is to allow user to set up their clinic information that gets printed in the PDF. Let's see in the application again to understand this. When the user prints prescription, the information that you see at the top, anyways, the information that you see at the top, okay, comes from the settings table, and the information that you see over here also comes from the settings table. Rest of the thing comes from prescription information. I hope you got the basic idea of what is possible and what we have done over here. Thank you.